Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchie. Hope you are well. Today I will show you a recap of my opening box. I will show you the box. The background is a little different on my first video because I am on my desk, but I haven't got many room. There is a computer where I work with. For this moment, I work from my home. But anyway, I will just move this. I will show you the boxes. The boxes of the card it's a World League Football 1992. On the brand of the card, it's a wild card. I don't know if this company exists anymore, but I will show you the recap. I will just pause. Okay, just show my showroom with the card. Okay, great. I will show you a recap of every card of this set. Is the basis card above 150. I haven't got all the cards, but I will show you the card where I get. In the last video, I will show you the more rare card. On this first card, you see Scott Mitchell. He was quite good in NFL. He was firstly a backup of Dan Marino. And when Dan Marino was injured, I think it was the turn Achille or something like this. He was after the starter during the Marino injury. Let's go. If you remember some player, you can put a comment. Let's go. First team is with the Scott Mitchell. Is the Orlando Thunder. Let's go. I will try to show the player. Hussein Keaton. Okay. I will just move a little if you can see. Okay, that's not to be perfect. Carl Dunbar. Joe Howard Johnson. Stacy Simon. The uniform is a little flashy, but I like the color. Roger Vick, Daryl Clark, Malcolm Frank, Glenn Rogers, Todd Krum, Dean Witkowski, Kerwin Bell, Willie Davis, Rosen Keaton, Grantis Bell, and Michael Titley. Next team, I will show you this. Of course, the World League was created in 1991. This league existed during 2 years, 1991 and 1992. Then, due to some financial problems, the NFL stopped this league. Then the league has resumed in 1995, but for this year it was only some European team. Let's go. This team now is the San Antonio Riders, Ivory Lee Brown, Cisco Richard, Mike Johnson, Brad Gobel, Ronnie Williams, Wayne Walker, Rob White, Titus Dixon, Darrell Colbert, Doug Williams, Eric Nordgaard, Terence Cook, George Searcy, Willie Fair, and Tony Boles. Of course, I don't know a lot about this player, but anyway, happy to get this set. And this set is quite beauty, and I love the picture of the card. Alors, this team now is Sacramento Surge. Donc we have Michael Jones, David Archer, Paul Green, Herb Welch, Mike Pringle, Eddie Brown, Basil Proctor, Stephen Adams, Tony Burse, Mike Sinclair, Carl Parker, Louis Riddick, and Corian Freeman. Okay, next, now the team is... Oh, I think this team existed only 1 year. It's Aoyo Glory. I love the uniform of this team. Let's go. It's Phil Logan, Tom Rouen, Randy Bethel, Archie Ewing, Melvin Patterson, Eric Harmon, Ken Wells, Chris Cochran, Amir Rasoul, Beb Loeffenberg, Darren Willis, Pat O'Hara, Tim James. Nice. Next team we have, it's a Spanish team, it's a Barcelona Dragons, Brad Henke, Glenn Cobb, Demetrius David, Tony Bruce, Bruce Clark, Anthony Gwynn, Eric Linsrop, Tenny Garcia, Scott Herney, Mike Woods, and Ron Goetz. Nice. Next team is... Okay, I will just move on this. This team is... Okay, it's a New York, New Jersey Knight. When Peace, I will just show you one of card. It's another great card of this set. It's a Doug Patterson. He was the head coach of the Eagles when they won the Super Bowl. That is very nice because there is not many head coach who won the Super Bowl. Maybe only 55, even less, because some coach have won multiple Super Bowl. Let's go. Doug Patterson, very happy with this. He was a backup quarterback in NFL mentally, but it's a great coach. For this team, Richard Kerry, Eric Wilkerson, Chris McLemore, Falanda Newton, Reggie Slack, Tony Jones, Tony Woods, Cornell Burbage, Wes Pritchett, Monty Gilbert, Andre Alexander, Kip Lewis, Ron Sancho, and Byron Williams. Great. Next team, 2 teams remaining. This is the Birmingham Fire, Arthur Hunter, Joe Valerio, Arthur Hunter, Carl Bax, Sean Moore, John Holland, Mike Norset, Paul McGohan, Philip Doyle, Joss Miller, Steve Avery, Mark Hopkins, Eddie Brighton, Elroy Harris, Willie Boyer, Eugene Howell, Phil Ross, and this is John Brantley. Nice. The last team, it's a London Monarch. Let's go. Bernard Ford, Fred McNair, sorry, Jeff Alexander. This is a World Bowl champion. The London Monarch was the first team to win the World League. He was in 1991. David Smith, Tony Sargent, William Kersey, Derek Judge, Ricky Shaw, Curtis Moore, Harvey Wilson, Howard Figgins, Irvin Smith, Judd Garrett, Danny Lockett, Ricky Williams is not the famous running back for the Saints and Miami, but nice. Dan Crossman, Stan Gelbo, and Sean Foster. Okay, now I will show you the more on this box you can find some card of strip 5. I think the number is 5, 10, 20, 50, 100 and 1000. I will show you 5 that it's Korean Freeman. I get also Ben Brown. It's some Moraka. Daryl Holmes. D. Thomas. Cisco Richard. This is Chris Cochran. Nice. On that it's a surprise card. They say send the card to the end quarter and you receive a package, a surprise package. Okay, quite happy with this, even if now we can't send this. Oh, maybe, sorry, I forget, but okay, I will add, it's the Montreal Machine, sorry, for it's the basis card. It's Steve Williams, Daryl Harris, Daryl Holmes, Michael Proctor, Aaron Semanuel, Reggie McKenzie, D. Thomas, Andre Brand. Oh, it's one of my favorite cards for about the looking, the ball in the air at the top of their head, very nice. Emmanuel Kings, Pete Manley, Ben Brown, Ricky Johnson, Roman Matthews, Anthony Dilweg, and Ray Savage. And in this series you get 2 inserts about the NFL player. 2 are some rookie, not very famous. We have Dillingers, and the what I pull, it's Won Dunbar. Okay, it's not made a very tremendous career, but anyway. And the other insert you can receive, it's Thurman Thomas with the Bills, Barry Sanders with the Lions. I'm not succeed to grab those 2 players, but one of I pulled in this box, it's Amy Smith, and very happy, must to be my favorite card of this set, and maybe the more the cards, I think one must to be the best card with the Barry Sanders and Thurman Thomas. Thank you for watching. Hope this video is not too annoying, but anyway, all the best, happy collecting, and bye bye.